Hello everyone, welcome to this training section with me. Today, what are we going to be looking at? We are going to be learning how to register a domain name and then register a hosting account, then linking the domain name to the hosting account. Some people out there, if you're wondering how to get a domain name and then link it to your hosting account so that when somebody types the domain name, it comes out in the search bar. So this video is for you. Okay, let's go straight into it. Now I am going to be using Namecheap as the domain registrar. There are other ones out there, but there are reasons why I have decided to stick to Namecheap. One of the reasons are they have a whole lot of TLDs, like what I mean, it.com, .online, .sbs, .info, .vip, .tv, a whole lot of these options for you guys. So now the other reason is because of their flexibility, their support. Okay, payment methods, you can use PayPal, you can use credit card, and then you can use Bitcoin. So it's amazing. So guys, let's go right into it. So first thing you need a Namecheap account. So you go over to the domain name namecheap.com, register, and then put a payment method, okay, of your choice. So you can use to pay for the domain. So now, if you have registered, okay, let's see how to do this. Okay. Sorry, I think I have. Okay, so I wanted to have registered this, but we'll go straight into it. So when you log into your domain name, just go straight to your dashboard, and then you click domain name search. Okay, when you log into your Namecheap account, okay, you go to dashboard. All right, you can go to here account dashboard, you can also go to here dashboard and all that. Okay, so when you get to the dashboard, you just go to the menu domains, and then you click on the sub menu here, domain name search. Okay, you just click on it and it will open this. So you scroll down a little and then you put the name you want to buy. So for instance, I want to check on this. Okay, now .online, for instance, I want to check if this is available. You now click search. Okay, so it will bring out the result. If it is available, you will see it. Okay, if it is not, you're going to see it as well. So as you can see, this domain name is available. You can also scroll down. So let me reduce this a little. You can also scroll down and you have a whole lot of options here. You see .online.io.me.here.live, studio info, bond, digital VIP services. There are lots of extensions that you can use, okay, or TLD. So if you don't know what TLD means, it means top level domains. Actually, they are the .com, .org, and all that stuff. Okay, so you can also check for other ones like this. You can just delete the online and add SBS. You can see this. You can also check for .info. You see if it's available. Okay, so I think I just want to check this out. Okay, I want to just register this one. Okay, you can use whatever extension. Okay, you can use whatever name and TLD, okay, of your choice. All right, so you can just, when you're done, you click add to cart. After that, you click checkout. All right, so you click confirm order. So at this point, I'd like you to understand some certain things. For instance, you might want to update, you come to this edit order details. You might want to change the who is data. Okay, your who is data is the information, the contact information that comes out, okay, when somebody is making a search on the domain name. Okay, do you understand? Okay, that's the information that comes out on the domain, okay, telling the information of who registered the domain. Okay, so if you want to change that, you can just click on this and click add new contact. You can use whatever name of your choice. Okay, you just fill this information here, and then you can add this, and you can add any contact, okay, that you want. Okay, email, so you can add any email of your choice. Okay, so the description, you can have multiple contacts, always contact. For instance, you want to register a particular domain, you want, when people search on that domain, you want some particular information to come out, like on the who is data. Okay, that's the information of the registered person that registered the domain. Okay, so you can name this as anyone, so you can when you want to, in the future, when you want to register another domain, you can, we'll see that in a minute. Okay, you just click on that drop down to select the contact information that you want that domain name to carry. Okay, so then you can just check this, remember this address for later use. Okay, so I'll save this right now. Okay, it has been saved here. Okay, you can see when you click this drop down, you click on the use previous saved contact, and then you come over this and you see, this is what I'm saying, these contact informations are for different purpose. Okay, so education, sorry, use previously saved, education. Okay, so you have to enter this for like the registrant contact, administrative contact, technical contact, billing contact. Okay, so when you've checked these and they are all carrying the name you want them to carry, or the information you want them to carry, you can just click continue here. All right. So you can actually use paper for making payment, okay? Or you can deposit into your Namecheap account, and when the funds are there, you can check this account funds, okay? So in this section, it's you'll see the credit card payment method that you entered while creating your Namecheap account, okay? So I want to change this as well to this. All right. Okay, so that being said, and I see that everything is okay, you just click on continue. And then here it's kind of a review of the things you're paying, your the name, the contacts, and everything. So when you're okay with that, you click pay now, and then your credit card will be debited of the amount. Okay. So as you can see, thank you for your purchase. All right, these are the informations. Okay, the customer information. This is what is going to show up on anyone searching the registrar, like the who is information. Okay, the person who registered the domain name, kind of. Okay, so now you are done registering a domain name. Okay, this is the domain name. Okay, look at it here. So the next thing you need to do, you have to order a hosting account so you can link the name servers that you will be given, okay, to this domain. Let's just see where to enter the name server. Okay, let me explain this. What I mean is your name server, okay, and it's what help your domain link to the hosting account, the web hosting account. So when somebody type this BTC income investment.xyz, it opens. Okay, so you have to click here, manage. Okay, okay, manage, and then you come over to name servers. Here, name servers, you click this Namecheap web hosting. Now listen, these are the three options. Let me explain how to use these three. Okay, if you use one and you didn't use it the right way, it won't work for you. The Namecheap basic DNS, this is when you have a kind of custom hosting. This is an advanced kind of name server issue. Okay, so when you install the WHM or any kind of cPanel, sorry, any kind of web hosting management system, okay, you have to use Namecheap basic DNS settings. Yeah, okay, so you can link an IP address, okay, to this. Okay, so but if you're ordering a shared hosting account on Namecheap, okay, you can order shared hosting from GoDaddy, from other hosting service. Okay, but if it is on Namecheap that you purchase your hosting from, you have to use Namecheap web hosting DNS. Okay, and then you click the good sign here, clicking save. But if you want to buy a shared hosting or a hosting service from other company, other platforms, okay, this one now you're not buying from Namecheap. If you want to buy from other platform like GoDaddy, okay, you can, or you will have to use the custom DNS. Custom DNS, do you understand? Custom DNS, you're using custom DNS if you have purchased a hosting account from another platform that is not Namecheap. Okay, that's when you are going to use custom DNS, and you are going to be given two name servers, name server 1 and name server 2. You are going to enter it here. Okay, so irrespective of where you're buying your hosting account from, you have to link what your domain name to your hosting account. Okay, so now just go ahead, register hosting account, and use the method that you want. Okay, so here I think I have register a hosting account somewhere, so I have to pick the name servers and enter the details here. Okay, so just hold on. So I have this hosting account registered somewhere, so I have to pick the name server details given to me, so which is this. So this is the first one, and then I'll enter it here, and then I'll pick the second one, and I'll enter it here. Okay, so after doing that, make sure everything is correct, and then you click the save button, which is like the good sign there. Okay, so after doing this, you're going to wait for, I think, like 30 to an hour, sometimes even more than an hour, for your DNS to actually take effect. As you can see, DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect. Actually, in most cases, it takes 31 hour, 2 hours, okay, for it to, finish everything, like for it to be effective. Okay, so I'm going to wait, and when it's effective, I'm going to resume the video. Okay, so just hold on. Okay, there's one more thing we have to do. We have to verify this. If you're entering for the first time, if you're entering a new WHOIS data information, that's the data we entered. Okay, that the information that will show up when someone does an information on this domain name on WHOIS. Okay, let's go to dashboard. I think we'll see it there. Okay, see, as you can see, you have 15 days left to verify this contact. So let's verify it. Email was successfully sent. So you have to check your email, okay, and then you click the link in there to verify the contact. Okay, so I have picked the link from my email, and here it is. So I have to just enter it. You can just directly click on the link, okay, to verify it, or you can copy and paste the link that will be sent to your mail on your address bar. So this email has been successfully verified. Okay, so we're still going to wait for the registrar, okay, like the name servers, to get effective. Okay, so we can proceed, okay, from there. So I'm going to pause the video now, okay, and wait for it. All right, let's just check. This is the cPanel information. So let's try to log into it. So you enter the domain name. That's whatever your domain name is going to be. You're going to get the information anyway. Okay, so and then you just enter the username, and then you enter the password. Okay, you must have seen that this redirected to this server. This is because the name server, your domain has not finished propagation yet. Okay, so it will just automatically redirect to this pending when it will finish propagation. So you log in. All right, so this is the primary domain. As you can see, this is the domain name. Okay, yeah, you can also enter and just look at it. Okay, so I think the problem of trying to link your domain to your hosting, it has been solved. As you can see, this is the domain name. Yeah, the site is empty, and also if you notice, it is not secured. So in the next video, I am going to teach you how to get a free SSL certificate. You see that green padlock, and then showing that your site is secure. Right now, as you can see, it is not secured. Okay, so do check my channel. You're going to see the video to how to get a free SSL certificate for your domains. Okay, also I'm going to put the link under the description of this video, okay, to the free SSL certificate. All right, so thank you for watching. I do hope that you are being able to learn in 24 hours how to buy a domain name, get a hosting, and then link it, okay, so that it becomes active. All right, also I am going to be doing a video on how to set up a fully functional crypto investment portal with the payment and automated payment solution. Okay, you see the referral solution there, investment packages, okay, different multiple payment solutions, maybe perfect money, bank payment, manual payments, crypto payments, all crypto payments. Okay, you are going to also get how to do this from scratch. Okay, I'm going to be doing that on this domain. All right, I'm going to be doing that on this domain. We're going to see how to do everything, get the team, the front end and the back end, as in everything from scratch to finished. Okay, I'm going to take you through the process, okay, from installing your team, installing the script and everything, and then at the end of the day you get a fully functional Bitcoin investment portal. Okay, so thank you for watching. Do leave a comment if you have a request for any video you want me to do. You can leave a comment. All right, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.